Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, let's start by looking at the indices a little bit. Dow Jones, look at this here, was coming down, and then went and touched the support, and we have a nice big buying pressure here. Long wick at the bottom, buying pressure. SPX, S&P 500, we had this nice support here, and we thought we were coming down, but then went back up. Stochastic under 60. The support is more important than the stochastic. So maybe the support will hold, and that might mean that we have another leg up. Nasdaq, same thing. We were going sideways. This is a resistance. We were going sideways, and today we seemed like we were breaking this, and we closed back up. All of the indices are doing this. Nasdaq 100, this sideways action a little bit, then broke support, then closed above. Stochastic pretty low here, stochastic pretty low here, stochastic lower at 48 here, and stochastic still good for Dow Jones. Interesting, yeah? So are we going to come back up, or are we going to just keep falling? We'll have a better indication tomorrow. Let's look at Tesla now. So Tesla rebounding quite well also. So we closed $31 up. So $31.16. We closed at 1058.12, and post-market we seem to be up $5.57 at 1063.75. Still going up as we are talking. So pretty nice bounce here. We have a little bit of trading that happened below 1,000, but then we went from 1,000 to 1054.69. Look at this. Can it be more precise than this? I don't think so. So we came right up to the resistance. Nice strong candle. So are we doing something like this? So did we reach support? That's entirely possible, but we won't know until we break this resistance right here. This resistance is the one we need to break. We are close to it. Stochastic climbed to 53. Still shy of 60, but we still have tomorrow to see what is going to happen. So if we break this tomorrow with a stochastic over 60, chances are that we are going to go back and retest 1200. That's entirely possible. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, there are so many lines in here. I'm going to have to do some cleanup. We are the 10th, so we opened right here. So we opened lower, close to 1,000, went as low on the first hour as 980, and then we came back up. And then we spent 3 hours. We spent 3 hours at the resistance, now support at 1027.25. 1027.25, look at it again. This is no coincidence. We spent 3 hours there, and then we shot up. We shot up here. And now at that point, we were right smack on the hourly resistance that we had here. Then the next hour, we broke that resistance, and we broke it while stochastic was at 53. So not exactly the 60 that we like to see, but what happened was that on the next hour, then we confirmed the break, and stochastic was at 72. And we even, as a bonus, broke and closed above 1054.69. Quite strong, this little Tesla here. So I like to see a break, and I like to see stochastic climb up like this over 60. And so now what we are going to need to check tomorrow is 1075, depending on when we break it. So it could be as high as 1076. If we break that, then we should be going towards 1200. And on the hourly chart, stochastic is great. RSI climbing over 50, that's a positive sign. MACD crossed over bullish, that's a positive sign also. Going back to the daily chart, let's look at the indicators. So as I mentioned, stochastic at 53, RSI at 51, almost 51. MACD, where's MACD? No, so MACD is still crossed over bullish, I'm sorry. And the MI is still good. Look at this region here. If we break this 1200, if we don't break it, then we stay within this little triangle. So we are within a triangle. So it's either of these two things that will happen. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.